Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable nachos. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite sturdy tortilla chips, a colorful variety of fresh vegetables, and plenty of shredded cheese. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and guarantees delicious, satisfying results for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's prepare our vibrant vegetables for the nachos. Dice 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, and 1 jalapeno for a delightful, flavorful kick. Sauté these in a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Season them generously with 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder to truly enhance their natural taste and aroma. It's time to build our magnificent vegetable nachos. Start by spreading a generous, even layer of your favorite tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Then, sprinkle about 1/3 of your perfectly seasoned vegetables over the chips. Follow this with a good handful, roughly 1 cup, of shredded cheese. Repeat these layers 2 more times to create a towering, incredibly delicious masterpiece that's ready for the oven. Finally, bake your nachos in the preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Once out of the oven, garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a cool dollop of sour cream. For an extra touch of freshness, consider adding sliced avocado or a bright squeeze of lime. Serve these delicious vegetable nachos immediately and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.